About this item: 20x20x1 MERV 13 air filter replacement for your air conditioner, furnace, or HVAC system. Actual size, 1911/16x 1911/16x3/4. Comparable with MPR 1500 to 1900 and FPR 10. Provides optimal defense with electrostatically charged filter media and superior low airflow resistance. Based on OSHRI standard 52.2 to 2017 initial efficiency/resistance. Made in USA, sustainably, proudly manufactured by BNX Converting, LLC in Houston, Texas, a registered and approved facility, EPA registration #101638TX1. Adopts single-sided, one-piece, frame technology to reduce environmental waste and made sustainably from recycled cardboard. Superior performance, the BNX MERV 13 air filter media outperforms standard fiberglass filters and adopts the latest in electrostatic filtration technology to capture maximum pollen, mold, bacteria, smoke, carriers and other microscopic particles while maintaining industry-leading superior low airflow resistance. Captures microscopic particles. The BNX air filter has a MERV 13 rating, allowing it to capture 93% of microscopic airborne particles, 3 to 10 without impacting airflow. Captures microscopic particles such as virus carriers, bacteria, odors, smoke, and pollen, pet dander, allergens,